I'm Phil, I'm the head chef here at Pophams Bakery in Hackney. So the dish we're cooking today is the taleggio cappelletti with macerated grapes and hazelnuts. We start with a very egg yolk rich pasta dough, which we make and rest for 24 hours. I think what makes this dish special is it's a dish that you wouldn't find in Italy, and it's very much a take on a cheese course reimagined and put together in a pasta dish. So the inspiration sort of regionally comes from that area of Emilia-Romagna where the sort of hand-shaped pastas are made with rich ingredients. We cut circles out of the dough and we fill the circle with the taleggio filling that we've made and then chilled so it's nice and firm for us to work with. Each circle is then folded into a half moon shape and the edges are brought together to form the traditional cappelletti shape, which means small hat. We try as much as possible to use local ingredients, although some ingredients simply have to come from the place of origin. The taleggio cheese that we use in the filling from the north of Italy, where it's a protected product. The Parmesan again is from Emilia-Romagna, which is the only place in the world you can produce a traditional Parmesan cheese. The grapes are also Italian, and we're in a really great season for getting Italian grapes in at the moment. And then it's just finished with lightly toasted hazelnuts and a bit of thyme, which we source locally from Kent.